Despite of all the hoopla around latest and greatest technologies like generative AI, prompt engineering, crypto, blockchain, still overwhelming majority of web and other technologies use MySQL and Postgres, especially MySQL as their backend database. I always admire and wonder how easy it is to create and run MySQL database on Google Cloud Platform. Google SQL is the managed database service from Google where you can run SQL, MySQL, Postgres, and SQL Server. And if you want to run a small to medium size backend storage for your application, MySQL is an ideal choice. It is very performant database. It provides you all the bells and whistles of a modern RDBMS. Plus, it is very cheap to run. If you want to create and launch an MySQL database on GCP, then all you need to do is just two or three steps. On your screen, you can see that a screenshot from GCP platform. So you need to go into the GCP console and then in SQL section, just enter this information. The only thing required is your instance ID or which is your database name and then whatever password you want for your root user. Once that's done, you can simply go in and then you can configure other information, but more or less this is what is required to launch your MySQL instance. In this case you can customize your public IP address, your connection name, your CPU, memory, and your storage. So that's all you need to do in this case. Once that's done, click on launch and your MySQL instance will be ready in a jiffy. And then once you are able to see your MySQL instance, you can connect to it through your Cloud Shell through via gcloud command, or you can connect it through your VM or even from your any MySQL client. On your screen, you can see that I have few commands through which you can connect to this new MySQL instance in Google Cloud Shell and then run your gcloud command to connect to that SQL by referring to your MySQL instance name through your root user. Once you do that, you will be connected to your MySQL instance and then you can run your command. For instance, in this one at line number 3, I'm creating a new database called as guestbook. And then from line number 5 to 9, I'm creating a table and inserting some rows in it. And on line number 11, I'm doing a SQL read query from that table, which was just created in this guestbook database. So that's pretty much it. This is a production grade enterprise level database which you can run very easily, quite cheaply, and very quickly on Google Cloud Platform. I hope you liked it. If you have any comments or feedback, please put them down below the video. Thanks.